In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell USDT on Binance using the Binance Express feature, a streamlined process designed to make trades faster and more efficient in 2025. If you're unfamiliar with Binance, or even if you're just diving into the rapidly evolving world of cryptocurrencies, this guide is perfect for you. We'll be highlighting each step in selling your USDT without the need to deal with P2p trading. So, let's get started. First things first, on your mobile device, open the Binance app. Once inside the app, direct your attention to the bottom menu bar and tap on Trade. From the options that appear, choose Convert. This feature is incredibly user-friendly and aims to simplify the process of trading cryptocurrencies, thus making it more accessible even for beginners. Now let's proceed to step 2. You'll notice a list of coins. Search for and select USDT, which stands for Tether. This is the cryptocurrency you are planning to sell. By using the convert function, you are effectively readying your selling process by setting the parameters of your trade. Next, it's time to decide which cryptocurrency you wish to receive in exchange for your USDT. You have a variety of options, so be sure to choose your desired coin wisely. Whether you're opting for PHP, which represents the Philippine peso, or BTC, standing for Bitcoin, make your selection depending on your investment strategy and personal preference. Binance's diverse coin offerings give you flexibility and range in your trading endeavors. Once you've chosen the cryptocurrency you want to convert to, the next step is to enter the amount of USDT you wish to sell. Pay attention here to ensure you're inputting the correct quantity. When you're ready, tap on Preview Conversion. At this stage, the app will show a summary of your transaction, including the rate at which your USDT will be converted to your chosen currency. This allows you to review your decision before making it final, ensuring transparency and accuracy. Finally, you're at the last step, confirming the trade. Take a moment to double check all the details, the amount of USDT, the currency you're converting into, and the conversion rate. If everything looks good and aligns with your expectations, go ahead and confirm the trade. The beauty of using Binance's convert feature is that the sale is executed instantly, meaning there's no need to wait around or worry about market fluctuations impacting your transaction. Your chosen currency will promptly reflect in your Binance wallet, completing the process seamlessly. And there you have it. Selling USDT on Binance using the Binance Express feature is straightforward, quick, and efficient. By skipping the peer-to-peer platform, you're saving time and streamlining your trading activities. We hope this video has provided you with a clear guide on navigating this process. Thank you for watching and happy trading.